Hello everyone. Want this edit on Capcut? Follow my steps.